Master successful contract delivery. So often, you win the contract, it's fantastic, but then you ask yourself, now what? So many suppliers fall over in delivery even within just 1 month. Whether you're a supplier or buyer, mastering the art of successful contract delivery is key. Watch this video for our tips. Top tip 1. A contract is a guidebook. Contracts can be confusing, overwhelming, overly technical, and full of jargon. Many of us are time poor and don't always look at the details, but we really need to. Think of a contract as a guidebook made up of 4 parts. This helps turn an overwhelming amount of information into bite-sized pieces. Part 1 is a dictionary to define the meaning of terms used. An example term is SOA, which can stand for either Statement of Attainment or Standing Offer Arrangement. Make sure you know what terms mean. Part 2. Look for a guide to day-to-day operations. Things the supplier or buyer must do or not do. For example, payment terms. Part 3. What if clauses. What the supplier or buyer must do if certain things happen. So what if there's a change from the original agreement? That's a variation, and that can range from a change of deadline to a change of project scope. In that case, you need to know what the process is for a variation. Part 4. Understanding formal and legal terms. Do you know what is considered a breach? Or do you know what constitutes as contract completion? If you don't know terms, it is important to ask questions. When it comes to your business, you want to be sure what you're signing up for. Top tip 2. What to look for. After you win the tender and before you sign, spend time reading the contract details. Get your highlighter out and go through it with a fine-tooth comb. We suggest you check for 1. Dates and timelines. Are they consistent with your tender response or quote? Believe it or not, this is often overlooked. 2. Terms and conditions. Are they aligned with what was in the tender? Are there any specifics to your bid? Make sure they're in the contract. And 3. Understanding of contract phrases. This brings it back to spelling it out up front so that everyone has a clear understanding. Even the same contract can have very different interpretations. Make sure the contract has a dictionary up front so that everyone is on the same page. Top tip 3. What successful contract delivery looks like. Having open channels of communication allows you to work together to navigate issues or address red flags. Contract review meetings will help ensure successful delivery. These meetings are where buyers and suppliers openly chat about progress and identify any concerns that may affect a successful outcome. Buyers learn of supplier site challenges and provide help, and suppliers can confirm their value and add positives in the buyer's mind. Ideally, contract review meetings should be in your contract. If they aren't, ask to add them in or initiate them in your first meeting. A record of what is discussed at the meetings ensures there are no surprises and will help minimise any disputes. At the contract's conclusion, these minutes provide a record of how you worked professionally and collaboratively to get the job done. We can help you navigate the complexities of contract delivery with confidence. Register for one of our upcoming workshops to learn our tips for successful contract delivery. Don't take my word for it, check out some of the testimonials from past participants.